Eldor Shomurodov! Eldor Shomurodov! This is what football can make a grown man do. Ciao, ciao, dosto. Welcome to my review and analysis of Roma versus Athletic Club in the last 16 of the Europa League first leg at the Stadio Olimpico. Before we start the video, अगर आप नए हो मेरे चैनल में, वीडियो को लाइक करना, शेयर करना एंड ऑफ कोर्स अगर आप पुराना कंटेंट देख के अगर आपको पसंद आया तो सब्सक्राइब जरूर करना. What a night. Super European night once again. पहले तो just आप atmosphere देखो. I've collected some clips from the internet and of course with due respect to the owners of the clips, this is what the Olimpico looked last night. As a Roma fan, everything, all the emotions were out there. Sarsarahat, farfarahat, झंझनाहट, everything was there. इतना हाई इंटेंसिटी वाला गेम था और ऐसा लग रहा था कि एकदम नाइफ एज पे गेम हो, किसी भी तरफ मुड़ सकता था. एंड Athletic Club are a very, very difficult opponent. And probably, with all due respect to the other teams that we played in the Europa League, one of the best. And first half में अगर देखोगे the way that Ranieri rallied his troops was fantastic. Apart from a few half chances, Athletic Club का इतना कुछ chance था नहीं. It was Roma throughout. Artem Dobic lost his footing at a crucial point. Paulo Dybala hit the crossbar. Amazing layoff by Tommaso Baldanzi. But at the halftime break, we went in 0-0. तो मुझे तो डर लग रहा था कि भाई ये सेम ओल्ड रोमा ना हो जहां पे हम लोग ने एक हाफ डोमिनेट किया है एंड विद देयर फर्स्ट चांस एथलेटिक क्लब स्कोर एंड ब्रेक द डेडलॉक. एंड एज प्रेडिक्टेड, बिकॉज मैंने ये मूवी इतने बार देखी है, सेकेंड हाफ में यही हुआ कि एथलेटिक क्लब एक इनोक्यूस कॉर्नर था, हमने बराबर डिफेंड नहीं किया एंड इनाकी विलियम्स got a free header at the far post, the back post. So Athletic Club led. But the response that Roma gave after that was nothing short of outstanding. Tommaso Baldanzi could have immediately restored parity, but he parried उसने sky कर दिया शॉट को, छक्का मार दिया यार. I think Baldanzi भी चैंपियंस ट्रॉफी देख रहे हैं काफी इंस्पायर होके. A shot where he should have just placed it, he just hit it out of the park. But the equalizer came and one of the guys जिसके अंदर माता आ गई, Zeki Celik. क्या बोलूं यार, Zeki Celik was so good last night. He channeled his inner Cafu. And he was the one who got the assist. And Angelino, little angel hamara, he scored the equalizer with his right foot. I mean, his left foot, he's got a very sweet shot, sabko pata hai. He's got a good crossing ability, very cultured left foot. But usne right foot se, he slotted it home. 1-1 and we are back in the game. I think 6 minutes is what the Athletic Club का lead lasted. उसके बाद में I would say it was a very balanced game because there were spells where Athletic Club dominated. It looked like they would score. There were spells where Roma came back and it looked like Roma will take the advantage, but कुछ हुआ नहीं. It was still locked in a stalemate. I have to say, Paulo Dybala, man, what a joy to watch. He was just mind-blowing. He was so good throughout the game. And when Ranieri subbed him off, मुझे लगा कि भाई डिबाला को रखो यार, वीकेंड का गेम है, गोली मारो, उसको खेलने दो. बट मैं क्या जानूं यार, सर डॉन क्लॉडियो रैनियरी is the man. He brought in Eldor Shomurodov, he brought in Matthias Sule, so Dobic and Dybala left, and eventually he also got in Alexis Salamakers. And जब ये तीन शख्स ओलंपिको के पिच में आए, उसके बाद में बाजी पलट गई. They were so good. I think ये एथलेटिक क्लब का ना थोड़ा आउट ऑफ सिलेबस आया था क्योंकि they were preparing for Dybala, Dobic throughout, and Shomurodov and Sule definitely, and Salamakers as well, came out of syllabus. Amazing. What a turnaround. The substitutions worked and Athletic Club also went down to 10 men. But once again, the game was still locked at 1-1. And mentally, मैं खुश था कि भाई चलो ठीक है, हारे तो नहीं, कुछ एडवांटेज नहीं है, बट एथलेटिक क्लब विल स्टार्ट एज स्लाइट फेवरेट्स बिकॉज 1-1 on the night going away to Bilbao is quite difficult. जो San Mames जो उनका stadium है is also very daunting. And after the red card, Roma did have a few chances. Sule का एक shot था, Salamakers का एक shot था, but it looked like कि चलो हो जाएगा, 1-1 ही हो जाएगा. But then moment of magic, Salamakers का ball था, and Shomurodov का बढ़िया first touch, he spun and he swiveled and took a shot, from his left foot, and the ball trickled in to the back of the net, and I just lost my voice. मतलब 3:30 बजे एक grown man behaving like this. Oof, super amazing. This was one of the awesome European nights that we have grown accustomed to. आवाज भी बराबर निकल नहीं रही है, इतना मतलब एक सेंस ऑफ एक्साइटमेंट है. एंड टाई अब तक खत्म नहीं हुआ है क्योंकि सेकेंड लेग बाकी है, बट जस्ट एक 51% रोमा का चांस है टू प्रोग्रेस. 49% एथलेटिक क्लब का है. आई नो कि डेटा और कुछ बोलता है, आई थिंक 60% कुछ बोल रहा है. इट्स नॉट दैट easy. It's not going to be very easy. It's going to be very difficult. And first leg में तो निको विलियम्स को कफू ने, ज़ेकी चेलिक ने तो कंटेन कर दिया, but he'll be wanting blood in the second leg, and especially when you have the home crowd backing their team. वहाँ पे फाइनल्स होने वाली है यूरोपा लीग की, so एक अलग ही टेस्ट है एक हफ्ते के टाइम में. लेकिन तब तक एक हफ्ते के लिए तो भाई let me enjoy this victory. Let me savor this victory. Fantastic night for Romanisti across the world. Fantastic night for Italian football as well overall, because defeating a Spanish team is a direct win in the coefficient race to get that 5th Champions League spot for next season. So yes, with that, we are going to close the video. I would also want to give an honorable mention to Sir Brian Cristante. I think he also had a very, very good game. Hardly any errors, and उसको भी हमने इतने गाली दिए है as Roma fans. मैं अकेले नहीं, काफी Roma fans ने उसको गाली दिया हुआ है. I think he put in a solid shift yesterday as well. And Zeki Celik, मुझे माफ करना ओम साई राम, भाई क्या हो गया तुम में यार. लास्ट 4-5 गेमों से Zeki Celik has been indispensable. I think he's the first name on Ranieri's team sheet for sure. And yes, अभी तक I'm not celebrating because the second leg is going to be intense, but what a night. Maza aa gaya. I'm going to cherish this night for a long time. Let's finish the job in Bilbao, Romanisti. Until next time, I'm Ajay Menon. I'm signing off for today. Forza Roma sempre. Ciao ciao.